Then apply Dermatonic P generously onto the affected area. A pea-sized amount for an area of knee size should be sufficient. Make sure to use enough quantities and rub with your whole hand until fully absorbed. Apply Dermatonic P 3 to 4 times daily and rub it until fully absorbed. Good massage is important to help the product fully penetrate deep into the skin. It is preferable to leave it on. However, if you need to wash, then wait for 10 minutes before washing. Note: in about 4 hours after applying the Dermatonic P, some individuals may feel the skin becoming a little itchy, which means it is time for another application. Make an application if you feel the skin is itchy. Thank you, and please call us if you have any questions. Check out our website at www.honeyderm.com.